Is it okay if I don't hold the mic? Is it okay to you? Thank you very much. Good morning, and thank you for this opportunity. My name is Kim Yuan from South Korea. I'm a family medicine doctor and also a person living with obesity. I want to talk about current situation in South Korea and the challenge we face and why we have to hear the voice of lived experience. So of course, prevention is very important, but I want to make a point very clear. The most perfect prevention system doesn't cure obesity. Prevention does not magically lead to obesity management for a person who lives with obesity right now. According to World Obesity Federation, 1 billion people is living with obesity, and also in 2035, 4 billion, almost a half, will be living with obesity or overweight. And if we just focus on prevention, we're leaving them away. So it's a very important turning point, and I want to ask, please do not abandon us. Yeah, do not abandon 1 billion people who already is living with obesity.